The captivating charm of a tiny house on wheels stems from its remarkable capacity to merge an ethos of elegant minimalism with all the requirements of contemporary functionality. These diminutive residences are emerging as a powerful antidote to soaring housing, expenses, and the prevalent societal yearning for a more mindful, uncluttered way of life, decisively demonstrating that genuine affluence resides not in expansive square footage, but in brilliant, deliberate architectural conception. Far from feeling restrictive, the most exceptional tiny houses artfully employ a curated selection of organic materials, such as rich, warm woods, grounding earthen hues, and sophisticated, subdued color schemes to cultivate an immediate impression of spaciousness, serene calm, and impeccable visual harmony. This intentional aesthetic strategy ensures that the compact area feels remarkably expansive, deeply inviting, and integrally linked to its natural surroundings. Frequently through the strategic incorporation of oversized windows and thoughtful site planning that seamlessly dissolve the partition between interior space and the outside world. The guiding principle behind the architecture of an outstanding tiny house is a deep commitment to purpose-driven design and maximized versatility. Every single dimension is scrupulously optimized, transforming purely utilitarian components into compelling and refined design features. A perfect illustration of this is how the central staircase is frequently engineered to serve double duty, ingeniously incorporating hidden integrated storage compartments or providing a subtle privacy screen, while built-in seating arrangements cunningly conceal vast storage, thereby optimizing practicality without any detriment to the overall stylishness. High-caliber fittings, including features like water-saving dual-flush toilets, energy-efficient appliances, and luxurious appointments such as durable solid-surface counters and custom-fitted cabinetry, collectively elevate the experience to the standard of a genuinely upscale dwelling. The precise and flawless execution of simple, clear lines, frequently drawing inspiration from the tranquil aesthetic of Scandinavian or minimalist schools of thought, masterfully converts the imperative of spatial restraint into a high form of artistry. Moving beyond its inherent interior sophistication, the tiny house on wheels embodies a palpable declaration of personal independence and ecological responsibility. A significant number of these unique homes are meticulously engineered to operate entirely off-grid, making innovative use of solar energy systems and advanced rainwater harvesting infrastructure, thereby enabling their inhabitants to dramatically slash their environmental impact while securing unparalleled financial self-determination. Firmly positioned on a robust, legally certified trailer base, the residence is transformed into a highly flexible, mobile haven, offering the extraordinary liberty to traverse great distances while reliably retaining the deep-seated comfort and stability of a beautifully constructed permanent residence. Ultimately, this potent synergy of effortless mobility, a commitment to a low-maintenance lifestyle, and an inherent restorative connection with the ambient environment is precisely what establishes a truly impressive tiny house on wheels as a profoundly persuasive and forward-thinking archetype for living in the contemporary era. The compelling draw of the tiny house on wheels originates from its brilliant fusion of an austerely beautiful philosophy with the complete practical demands of 21st century living. These miniature abodes are fast becoming an influential answer to skyrocketing accommodation costs and the widespread modern desire for a more deliberate, organized existence, powerfully asserting that true prosperity is defined not by sheer area, but by ingenious, meticulously planned architecture. Far from inducing any sensation of confinement, the finest examples of tiny homes skillfully utilize a carefully selected array of natural building elements, such as richly textured woods, calming earth-toned pigments, and sophisticated, muted color palettes, to immediately foster a feeling of considerable scope, profound composure, and impeccable visual balance. This deliberate artistic choice ensures the restricted footprint feels remarkably spacious, genuinely welcoming, and seamlessly integrated with its natural context, often achieved by the strategic placement of expansive glass panels and intelligent landscape. Integration that utterly erases the conventional boundary between the inner sanctuary and the external world. The foundational principle guiding the construction of an extraordinary tiny house is an uncompromising dedication to intentional utility and maximized adaptability. Absolutely every cubic foot of space undergoes meticulous refinement, thus elevating mere necessities into genuinely striking and elegant design features. A prime case in point is the primary access staircase, which is frequently engineered for dual performance, cleverly housing concealed integrated storage drawers or forming a subtle yet effective visual barrier, while thoughtfully designed seating areas cleverly tuck away substantial storage volume, successfully optimizing utility without compromising the overall sophisticated aesthetic.